Hello friends, I'm meteorologist Jeff Matthews. Welcome to your 5-day Mohawk Valley forecast. You can get much more information on the website at cnyweathertainment.com. 3 weather headlines. It's going to be rainy for most of Thursday, from Wednesday night at midnight until about 8 o'clock Thursday evening. The temps are going to climb through Thursday, but then comes the thermal cliff. And the averages, meaning the average high and low for this time of year, and the day length are both now increasing. Here's the really short story. You need the umbrella for Thursday. You need the heavy parka for Friday because it's going to be windy and turning colder all day long. A few flurries or snow showers Saturday p.m., not a big deal. Next rain is Tuesday into Wednesday when temperatures warm up once again. Big weather story, cold front off the coast. High pressure brought us the nice weather for Wednesday, but it's only a one-day deal. A couple of areas of lower pressure, so we're going to get stormy. But what kind of stormy weather? Well, we'll talk about it in just a second here. But behind these two, for Thursday, comes a window of drier weather for Friday and for part of Saturday before the next one moves in, which is now over Wyoming. So let's get back to the infrared imagery. You can see this big area of moisture already closing in on New York State, and so Thursday going to be inclement. I wanted to show you something interesting, though. If you think we have foul weather, how about Wyoming? Wyoming had those 2 storms affect them Monday. See in the bottom of the screen, Monday, 9:02 a.m. Look at these wind gusts across southeastern Wyoming. The lowest was 67 miles per hour. The highest was 82. That's Category 2 hurricane force. And they get these kind of winds because when the jet stream is going over their part of the world, don't forget there's 6,100 feet of elevation. So they're 6,000 feet closer to where the jet stream is flying overhead when it does fly overhead. Plus you add a storm to the mix and you get crazy winds out there. It's hard to explain to you unless you've lived through it, but it affects every part of your life. What you wear, hats, skirts, where you go and when you do it, opening the car door, opening the screen door to the house, that kind of thing is crazy. Back to us. 2 storms straddling the jet stream, which is now going through to our west, which is a warmer direction. So this storm with the snow is going to move in this direction, to the left of the jet, keeping the snow to our north. This storm is moving to the south of the jet, but it's already a rainmaker. So we're going to get the rain from it Thursday. It'll peter out Thursday evening. You can see how it turns more sporadic to the left of the storm center. Quiet weather for Friday and much of Saturday, but Saturday afternoon and evening some flurries. The radar, it's quiet for Wednesday night, but here comes the rain for after midnight into Thursday. So once that rain pushes in, there may be a little bit of mixed very early Thursday morning for the Adirondacks, but otherwise it's going to be a mainly rain event. And then we get on the working end of this cold front, which clears the skies out Thursday night, but causes the temps to plummet for Friday. Here's a look at the almanac. We topped out at 45 on Wednesday. Got a little bonus there. Hey, if I'm going to be wrong, better to be wrong when it's warmer than I said, right? The low, remember, I was telling you how the temperature would climb through the night, and it did from 25 at press time last night, and kept on climbing. There's the average high and low. They don't get any lower. They now start going up with time. The records stay in the books. Interesting side note about the records. Most of the records' highs for January occurred in the 1930s and 1940s. Most of the record lows occurred after I was born. Isn't that interesting? It was way warmer in January for the Mohawk Valley in the 30s and 40s of 1900s. And it was generally colder in the 1960s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. Odd. There's the snow and rain from Tuesday night into Wednesday. The daylight is now up to 9 hours and 17 minutes. You can get some great deals on my website on the partner page. Here is your forecast. Rainy and breezy for Thursday. A high in the upper 40s. We could touch 50. The rain will be done by 8 o'clock Thursday night. Then clearing skies. A breezy wind. Lows by Friday morning of 28. The thermometer may hiccup to 30. But after 8 a.m., it's going to continue to fall all day long. It'll be bright, but there'll be a bitter cold wind. It's going to be very cold Friday night with a low in the single digits. So rain Thursday, falling temperatures but bright on Friday, very cold at night. Saturday, partly sunny but flurries in the afternoon and evening. Stays cold for Sunday and quiet into Monday. That's your 5-day forecast. Make it a great day.